let's have a look at this travel size manicure kit that was sent to me to review. And inside you have all different tools. We're going to talk about them. You have hand, foot, and facial care tools inside here in this nice, easy travel size kit. All in one, hand, foot, and facial care. So look at all the tools right here, and we're going to take them out and sort of look at them so that we can see what are for your hands, foot, and face. So let's start with hands. So these are all the pieces for your hands. So as you can see, you get two clippers, two nail clippers, the flat sort of regular nail clipper, and then the angled one to definitely go ahead and help you cut your nails. Then of course you do get the cuticle peeler, as you can see right here, a nail file, together with a sort of dual end cuticle pusher. So you do have two different shapes on this. You have the flat and then the curved, and then you do have a cuticle sort of trimmer. So you get 6 different pieces for your hands. Let's go ahead and actually talk about the foot. So these are the 5 pieces for your feet. This is a toenail clipper. This is actually not my go-to for toes, as I prefer the bigger ones. But again, just go ahead and move this up, and then you can go ahead and use this. I actually prefer this for my hands. Then you have the actual bigger one for your toes. So toenail clipper right here. It is quite heavy duty, as you can see right there. And then these 2 pieces, they are actually quite sharp on top here. And what they're actually sort of a flat foot file and a slanted foot file. So as you can see, they are sort of shaped right at the top there. So they are nice foot files. They're really sharp right here, so they can definitely help. And then this last piece, as you can see, it's sort of rigid right there, rough. And then right here is a blade. So it is actually a callus remover blade. So this is definitely going to help with your foot care. Okay, and then these last 4 pieces, you have an all-purpose scissors that you can go ahead and use to trim. Then you have a nice slanted sort of tweezers. Then my favorite, like sort of like a pimple blackhead sort of popper right here. And then on this part, you do get that sort of pointed edge so that you can go ahead and pop those hard areas, and then use this to sort of push that out. And then I don't particularly use this, but this is sort of like a air picker if you wanted to use it like that. So again, as you can see, you get quite the variety. You get hand, foot, and facial all in this nice travel size kit.